This is your first 360-degree look at the OnePlus 8T. The upcoming smartphone features a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It has a single punch-hole selfie camera in the top left corner. As for the ports and buttons, you get the power button and alert slider on the right spine and the volume rocker on the left. The bottom edge is home to a USB Type-C port, loudspeaker grill and an ejectable SIM card tray, while a noise-cancelling mic can be seen at the top. The back panel features a redesigned rectangular camera module housing a 48-megapixel primary sensor, 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 5-megapixel macro and a 2-megapixel portrait sensor. The front camera is likely to be a 32-megapixel unit. The OnePlus 8T will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 processor with up to 12GB RAM and up to 256GB of storage. The phone will run OxygenOS 11 based on Android 11. Last but not the least, it will feature a 4500 mAh battery with 65-watt warp charge support. Those were the complete specs and renders of the OnePlus 8T, brought to you in association with OnLeaks.